Hello friends. Have you tried this juicy burger with pineapple inside? Lick your fingers, now I'll show you. And so, prepare all the ingredients. Any minced meat, burger buns, spices and canned pineapples. For the sauce, combine mayonnaise, teriyaki sauce, honey and 1 pinch of hot ground pepper in a bowl. Mix the ingredients with a whisk until smooth. Set the sauce aside until the burgers are formed. For the cutlets, combine the ground meat with salt and black pepper, mix well. With wet hands, form 4 identical flat round cutlets from minced meat. Lay out the cutlets and fry on medium heat for 4 or 5 minutes on one side. Turn the cutlets to the other side. If desired, you can put cheese plates on the cutlets. Fry for another 4 minutes. After frying the cutlets, heat the remaining oil. Fry the rings of canned pineapple on each side for 2 minutes, until light golden brown. Burger buns cut lengthwise into 2 parts. Fry the halves of burger buns on both sides for 30 seconds, until light brown. This will help to leave a juiciness inside, and not soak the bun after adding the sauce. Start forming burgers with sauce. Put 2 spoons of sauce on the bottom half of the bun. Put a fresh lettuce leaf on the sauce. Put a warm cutlet and a ring of fried pineapple on top of the salad. Cover everything with the other half of the bun. Form the remaining 3 burgers in the same way. Burgers with pineapple, meat patties and honey sauce are ready to serve. Juicy pineapple and crispy salad complement the taste, giving it originality and some southern, holiday flavor. An appetizing cut of burgers makes you want to cook them, isn't it? Enjoy your meal.